What do you say to me, everybody? We're back with another video, and today we are going to be killing random people because I feel like it. Yeah, we have a new guest.
You're a chicken.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
You're a chicken.
I'm Cheese Puff. Cheese Puff.
Cheese Puff, the new guest.
You're a chicken.
Gets really famous.
If you check the video that we just posted right now, that was me.
Yeah, I posted a little short.
Yeah, we posted a video a couple minutes ago.
I'm just gonna begin.
Yeah.
Hey, sir. Oh, I was just trying to check if PvP was on. Okay, guys.
For someone got teleported while they were.
Can someone give me?
Watch this, guys. I'm telling you, I have aimbot. Watch. Just watch. Oh, you didn't see that. Wait, is PvP on? Oh, yeah, it is. Wait. Holy! Ah!
Bro, you're not Bro Giggles, bro.
Okay. Oh, oh my gosh. Wait.
Who wants
I'm by the
to
lake.
mimic baseball? Who wants to play mimic baseball?
He wasn't feeling it.
Yeah.
I didn't do that. That totally wasn't me. Okay.
Oh, he's at lake. By lake. Give me some.
Oh, here's at the lake.
Where's the red one? Where's the red one?
Ow! I just died.
Where are you?
I'm in the air.
Yeah.
Where's the turkey? What? Where's the turkey? You wanna fight me?
Wow.
Oh, he wants to fight.
Come on, help, Green Bean.
Green. I mean green.
What's up? What? Hold on, I'm in that wall right now.
Let's go to the adventure.
Goodbye. All right, let's go.
I need
some ammo. Owie! Ow! Holy! Ah!
Hey, Green, how's it going? Green. Black. Come here.
He has to go.
Some mimic.
Oh no, Cheese Puff has to go.
Where are you?
No way.
I'm about to kill this.
Yeah, but could you?
Hi, Blue. Oh, I was just trying to check if PvP was on. I was trying to check if PvP was on. Ow! I was just trying to check if PvP was on. Black.
Yeah, that's what you were doing, sucker. Ha!
I was just trying to. He killed him.
Actually, no, I'm not gonna resume.
Alright, this is what people get who don't revive me. Just watch, guys.
Yeah.
This is what people get who don't revive me. Ah! How did I miss that, bro? It sucks, guys.
Why is my game done?
Hi, mister.
Mimic baseball.
No stealing my loot. Oh yeah. Oh, my trusted revolver. Okay, good. Ow! He stole my loot. It's you. Wait, it's you. Yo, revive me.
Fine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey.
Oh shoot! No, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, look my hand.
1, 2.
No, oh wait. Yeah, I want a team. I just killed him and said, yeah, I want a team. Oh wait, I'm low. I better get in. But I'm not real watch though.
Go, guys.
Yeah, I want a team.
Wait.
You want a team, bro? Where's it? First, I need to get my headset. Dude. It's you. Wait, hold on. I need to get Tracy's side. Hi, Black. Black, how will we revive you? Wait, hold on. This kid's trying to kill me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, you want to play this game, bro? Bro, I swear, they nerfed freaking everything. This stupid update. They nerfed everything, bro. They nerfed my health, they nerfed my pinky toe, they nerfed the freaking revolver, they nerfed the piece of grass that I eat, they nerfed the taste. Shoot.
Beat up, bro.
I got one. Let's go. Let's give it up.
Where's my drill at? Oh, I lost it.
What do you lose?
My precious drill just here waiting for me. I thought I lost it.
Oh, who's trying to do that?
My precious drill was waiting for me. I thought it was
Oh wait, it's my precious drill! It's my precious drill! Get over here, drill! Get over here, drill!
Oh, you want to fight?
No, Elfman. Say cheese.
Thank you. There's like a Titan wall. Oh crap!
Bro, I'm literally the soap cookie, bro.
I'm the definition of too good.
I'm the definition of the soap cookie.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. So, if you like that, like and subscribe. My brother's screaming in the background because he's raging. I love raging. And I guess goodbye. Whee! Grass.